Hello garden lovers! This week at Southern California Gardening, we are getting our garlic planted. Our garlic crop last season mostly got devoured by gopher, so we're growing in a new growing location that is gopher proof, and I'll attach a link in the upper right hand corner on how we gopher proof our raised beds. This year we are growing some amazing varieties. We love spicy garlic flavoring in almost every meal, and the health benefits are amazing, and we'll share more about that toward the end of the video. This first variety from Territorial Seeds is Dungaski, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, but we did grow this last season. Very large garlic bulbs. It's a beautiful garlic. Even though the gopher got most of them, we did get some. And here is the information on this variety. Large bulbs, amazing flavor, and I love the purple outer wrappers. So beautiful. The next variety that we're growing is Yugoslavian garlic. Very excited to try this one. It's our first time, and half my family is from Yugoslavia, Slovenia and Croatia. So very excited to see how the garlic tastes that comes from that part of the country. And here is the information. It's from Urban Farmer Seeds. It says it's a great storing garlic and hot and spicy. Yugoslavian is regarded by some as the best if you like a good kick in a hardneck variety. Looking forward to making some delicious purple cabbage salad with this variety next year. Next we have the Georgian Fire, also from Urban Farmer. Another beautiful wrapper on this variety. They describe it as a farm favorite with stunning flavor, and they also note the variety is a beauty queen. And it's certainly got some beautiful wrappers. Pleasantly hot flavor. Roasting really brings out the flavor. And then lastly is Music by Territorial Seeds, and this one is not only beautiful but extremely long storage capability. Here they say Music hits the top of the charts when it comes to yields. White skinned with a blush of pink, easy to peel. The taste is medium hot, true garlic flavor, and Music will store 9 months to a year. It's going to be great to have a variety that outlasts all the rest with this long storage capability. So before I head over to the growing location and get these guys planted, I wanted to share this great article from Northwestern Medicine. Health benefits of garlic, a nutritional superstar packed with vitamins B, C, manganese, selenium, iron, copper, potassium. Garlic may be small, but its benefits are mighty. And it's got some great benefits noted here. Promotes heart health, contains cancer fighting characteristics, potentially combats the common cold, acts as a natural antibiotic, and clears your skin. Alright, gonna head over to our new raised bed. See, we got a lot of fun stuff that will be growing in the greenhouse this year. Got some cucumbers popping up. We'll keep those in the greenhouse. As the temperatures get cold, it's going to be fun to see if we could have some delicious cucumbers and tomatoes in the winter months. Before I head over to our main garlic growing location, I'm going to stop off here at this beautiful whiskey barrel where in the summer months we were growing some delicious jalapeno plants. And now we'll grow some garlic, cilantro, and some Apache onions. So if you have limited growing space, then garlic can grow anywhere. It could grow in a container, in the ground, in a raised bed. Extremely easy to grow. It's just a matter of popping a clove in about 3 inches deep. I left my tool over at the larger area, so I'll just use my finger, but I go about 3 inches deep, making sure that the pointy side is up because the roots will come out of the bottom And then once it starts growing, it's possible that it's going to start pushing up as the roots form. And in those cases, I just come along and add some soil on top, and that's about it. So easy to grow garlic, whether in a large growing area or a beautiful small container. All right, I'm gonna head over and get these guys planted. All right, so here I am at our main garlic growing area. And I'll go over briefly the growing requirements and some tips for growing your own garlic. I've used this stake to poke holes into the soil. The soil is a mix of lots of compost and Edna's Best. It is well draining, and I'm only going to plant the biggest cloves. I'm going to be planting them 3 inches deep, 5 inches apart, with the pointy side facing up as I mentioned. Then I'll get them covered and watered. I should also mention that I'll be leaving their little outer wrappers on the cloves. As they grow, they just break off in the soil. So once spring hits, I'll get them fertilized, and then come June, once the leaves start yellowing, it'll be time to harvest. A quick tip for you Southern California growers: in warmer climates, soft neck varieties are the best choice. But as I mentioned in previous videos, we live about 1,700 feet above sea level. We have already seen temperatures in the low 30s. So for cooler areas, hardneck varieties will do well. All right, that's it for now. Got lots and lots of cloves to get in this soil. Excited for an amazing late spring harvest. Delicious homegrown garlic. All right, that's it for now. Remember, something doesn't come from nothing. Hope you guys enjoy your week and enjoy your garden.